get it going. It actually works.
Film it?
Yeah. Just disemboweling him. Oh shoot! Chop out your legs. I'll get another toy in just a minute. That disemboweled her good. Yeah. That fried her good. I'll never let go, Jax. You just did. No wonder no one will probably go see this movie, because Dora is just about dead, literally. So I could do this. Lovely day to drive down the road. If I don't stop singing, I will explode. Rosie Taylor's dead. What have you done? He's sure out on a limb. Blew the crowd away. Oh, crap. Please, Jax, don't kill me. Sorry, it's for the video. We've got a live one here. And another one. I managed to find the remains of this guy, but he's a goner. Start. Bite my bum. Oh no! You say goodbye and I say hello. Battery survived, yet we still need to get rid of Poe's remains. Okay, was totally not expecting that. Let's try it again. See with the wall. Okay, we're gonna have to seize that. That escalated quick. And now to dispose of the remains. Woo! Oh, there goes balls. Let me see your balls. They're over there. Okay. How about this time we'll put them underneath here. Okay, I don't know if the camera captured that. Oh. but he just nutted. Doug just nutted. Holy crap. And now, it's... Let's try this again. Nope. Can't even recognize them anymore, except for that thing. Wouldn't the world be better if it wasn't so hostile, much like these guys? Oh, come on. Seriously? Let me go check this out. Before you know it, life will come right back at you and frick you up the ass. Wait, what? Go me, yeah. Oh, I forgot I'm supposed to be dead. And now you aren't, my friend. Uh-oh, where's Elmo? Oh, there he is.
Egg and orange juice.
It skipped.
Can you find what I like to draw?
Draw.
Yeah.
Freaking gooping balls all over the place. And now time for your final manga. Where did the rest go? Oh, here they are. Do not try this at home. Didn't go through? Oh wait, there he is. Alright, that's as good as it gets. There's your drink. And the blood bag didn't even do anything. Storm region, storm region. What about this here? Damn! Oh, we can't show that for YouTube. She just upskirted. Just about nude and representing a robot. Because this is talking, but this is not working, so. Alright, there we go. don't want to jam it. Say hello to my little friend. What happened? Well, the next time you're out hunting, bear this thing in mind. Ha 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 ha. Well, I can only do a little at a time.
E says E says I says I, and I says it. E says E, and E says eh. Touch the letter, hear the sound E, so E and eh. Touch the letter, hear the sound U says please press any letter to hear its name and sound.
Come on. That's not D.
Touch the letter, hear the sound. R says U says T says touch the I. Please press a circle on my finger to choose a game.
Oh my god. This thing won't D-I-E.
Please press the letter that comes next.
After D and
The
I,
letter P comes next.
E. There we go. Where'd his head go? Oh, there it is. Finish her. Fatality. Another arm just flew right here. Oh, the hoop got stuck. That took care of it. Skin spinning. Hoop got stuck again. Gotta move it, folks. Looks like I'm gonna have to call my taxidermy about this.
Oh, cool! Elmo can't wait to play with you. Where are you? Peekaboo! There you are! Elmo loves to play peekaboo with you. Where are you?
Okay, a piece of the eye just flew across the street. Legs mangled. Just about everything's chopped up. Oh, and here's the blanket. Here, let's play a little peekaboo. Peekaboo! Now he's dead. Damn it. There we go. Jaxen's the name. Lawnmower's the game.
Let's hunt for the letters that spell the word
Got this.
rot. R-O-T. Rot.
You want to rot already? Okay. Roses are red, violets are not. You can just squat and rot. It's quickly distorting. Got the ABC song recording again. I'm too scared to try to, because pieces are just going to go flying everywhere. Unlike plushies, which is simply stuffing. But here, this is all electronic. That's the speaker right there, and there's the other letter box. Pieces are also over here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I will kill your family. Ooh. Head exploded. This is also to compensate for the elf on the shelf. There goes its head. There you have it. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good destruction. Die a slow death.
Sueño. I'm sleepy. Now let's play.
Like I thought.
I'm sleepy.
Even more sophomoric by the time we get through with this.
So sleepy.
Maybe I can hear that for you. Oh. Oh. I'm only doing it in little bits so that way I don't end up jamming the thing. See pieces everywhere. Can it still roar? Guess not. I was able to recover the batteries, and it took me a little bit longer to do so, but the show must go on. That was a big one. Speaking of protection, the colors red, white, and blue are the colors of freedom. That's unless they're flashing behind you. And that's how you bring world peace to this happy world toy. A, B, C, easy as 1, 2, 3. Seems like I forgot to put my little sign out. I don't want any passing cars with what I'm doing. haven't even been friends for a while.
Can you please count to 10 with me?
Here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yeah, we know who you are. Sit down. Hey, let's see how that phased a bit better. I don't believe it. She's still in. Wash my hands of this toy. That's better. I think I overexerted it. Great! But does it still work?
Hi, I'm Dismantling.
Really? Really? What the heck is that? Never mind. Certainly better than working in an office job, am I right? Toilet guy. Oh, there he is. Good God. Hurry up and slide. Dead. Dang camera can't even see this here. I'd rather not do toys that other YouTubers have done, like Sean K does a lot with these Elmos here. I got sensitive teeth. Here, maybe this Coco guy can help you. I got this from CVS.
Playtime! Playtime!
Yes, we're going to playtime. goes that same truck from before. Don't tell me that thing's gonna jam up. Look, I know it's been sitting in the back, you know, just getting water in and just rusting, but still. There we go. Headshot. That was easy. Oh, I'm gonna mow it down completely this time. I'm not stopping the lawnmower, especially with Donald Duck here. This might be a bit plasticky. Try this, kids at home. Just kidding, don't. I don't want to frazzle rack this lawnmower before I get to my pet Scout. On his farm, he had this lawnmower. With a there and a there, here a there a everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a lawnmower. E-I. E-I. Oh! So the tickliest Elmo of them all, you don't really succeed as well, especially with those two testicles.
Oh no. Are they talking about us?
The Nimbus 2000 can vibrate better than these two munchkins could. Asha would probably make a wish that these two could step up their game. And there are my neighbors.
Help me, mommy, owie, ow, make my feel
How is it still talking? Look at this.
I scraped my knee. Make my boo-boo better now.
making your boo-boos better, ain't I? Doesn't help the fact you keep saying Cocoa Melon.
It's probably his defense mechanism.
I wonder what I missed. Trying to get gummy bear going here. Oh right, this plug in here. Huh. Gummy bear.
My hand is orange.
Yeah, no sh**.
Here's one of my favorites. The spider with a water fountain down in the
Itsy spider went up the spout again.
I hate this piece of crap. Calling lawn and order special mowing unit.
You can't get me Greenworks because you're
Just engine rumbles.
can't afford to lose another bridge. Whoa! Oh, no. Oh! There we go. He needs no further introduction. Getting right in the shin. Okay, that's enough. have nothing against Miss Rachel or anything. Well, but you ain't no Miss Rogers. It's the Cristobal schedule. It's a trope, look it up. Get him, Bear. Okay, less on the robot, more on these other ones.
No matter how much a snake sheds its skin, it's still a snake.
Meow, meow. Rock and roll! Green punch buggy!
Why do you do these? Why not?
Well, frick, I wanted to shoot more on this camera, but my frickin' battery's dying. So I'm gonna just give you the TLDR. Maybe bring the parents here to this blade to blade, see how they suffer the same. There are two kinds of people in this world. Those who can count, and those who can't. Say, were one of you number blocks missing something square?
Here's your skin.
Keep talking, little Roman numeral. I'm gonna make you stand.
By the way, orange one there.
So appealing, I know.
Not the vintage. Oh, dang.
What's his face? I don't want to lose face.
Get him. By the way, head survived.
Oh, hello. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hello, friends. How?
This penguin's so adorable. Virtually unscathed. I'ma spare him.
Wait till I get canceled for singing ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ching, chang, walla, walla, bing, bang.
he's oh so special. I'ma fire up this blade to blade. Ah.